This is the property of Helene DAndrea. She is interested in having these 3 trees on the left side of her house removed. So if we can send over details on what that would look like. And then we'll call that phase 1. And second phase, she would like this tree completely removed. This center spruce here removed, as well as this tree here and this tree right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 removed for phase 2. She would like options about possibly if it would be better for these 2 spruces on the sides that would be remaining to have this just empty, or maybe putting one of these fire bushes up there if that would be an option. And then this and this she just wants gone. This she wants gone. And then on a third quote, a fall cleanup, she would like discussed with her options to remove these ornamental grasses, get them all trimmed up. Recently, she did a plant relocation project in the front. This is separate of that. Customer would like to separate this into phases, like I was saying, phase 1 and phase 2. Back over here on phase 1, speaking with her, we were discussing the options of possibly replacing these with something, or taking them out completely and just allowing the left side mulch bed more visibility from the street. Also, these trees are scratching her husband's vehicle coming into the garage, and they are making contact with the house. So these need to go. And I told her if she could discuss with Kelly options of possibly putting something there smaller, or if it would just be best just to remove it completely. That's it.